Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Math Textbook Exercise 4.4, question number 3. A circle is inscribed in a triangle ABC having sides 8 cm, 10 cm, and 12 cm shown in figure. Find AD, BE, CF. Here is the figure. The triangle ABC is given. A circle is inscribed in this triangle. Now we will start the problem now. Question number 3. Here we know that the tangent drawn from external points to the circle is equal. That is the condition here. The tangents drawn from external point to the circle is equal. Circle is equal. Use this condition. We will continue. Here that means here the tangent AD is equal to AF, BD equal BE, CE equal CF. Like AD equal AF, which is given X. Now BD equal BE, which is equal Y. Now next CE and equal CE equal CF, which is Z. Now your AB is 12, AB is 12, BC is 8, CA is 10. AB equal 12, 12 centimeter, BC equal 8 centimeter, and CA equal 10 centimeter. Now regarding the figure, here AB is nothing but X plus Y. AB equal X plus Y equal 12 and X plus Y equal 12, Y plus Z. Look at this figure. Here Y plus Z is 8, Y plus Z equal to 8 centimeter, 8 and Z plus X equal 10. Let us add them. Add is X plus Y plus Z plus Z plus X equal 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. Here everything 2 times, that is 2x plus y plus z equal 30. Now we can say from this x plus y plus z equal to 15. 30 by 2 is 15. Now already we have x plus y is 12. Therefore z equal 15 minus 12, 3. Y plus z is 8. We have y plus z is 8. Therefore x equal 15 minus 8, which is 7. And z plus Z plus X is 10, therefore Y equal 15 minus 10 equal 5. So therefore we can say AD, we let AD is what? We have to find AD. Therefore AD equal to X, which is 7 centimeter, and BE equal to Y, which is 5 centimeter, and CF equal Z, which is equal 3 centimeter. Here, next question. If PQ is a tangent drawn from a point P to a circle with center O, and QOR is a diameter of the circle such that POR equal to 120 degree, find OPQ. Here, let us draw the figure for this. Here this is a circle. Now let's draw one tangent. From the center we'll draw diameter from center to join this external point. Like now here PQR, question number 4. PQ is the tangent. Here point P is here, Q. PQ is the tangent to the circle. PQ is the tangent to the circle at a point P to a circle with center O, that is QOR is a diameter. QOR is the diameter, and POR is 120 degrees. POR here 120 degrees. If it is 120 degree, it is must be 60 degrees because straight line 180 degrees. Now here look at this. Now angle POR plus angle POQ 180 degrees because it's straight line. Then you can say 120 plus POR equal 180 degrees. Therefore angle POR equal 180 minus 120 equal 60 degrees. Now angle OQP must be 90 degree because tangent and radius meet at 90 degrees. Since radius is perpendicular to the tangent, at point of contact. At point of contact means here here this is 90 degrees. Now angle POQ, angle POQ plus PQO plus OPQ is 180 degree, because sum of all angles to the triangle is 90 degree. POQ plus PQO plus OPQ 180 degrees. Sum of three angles to the triangle. Reason, sum of three angles to the triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, we can say 60 plus 90 plus OPQ equal 180 degrees. Then we can say the angle OPQ is 180 minus. Therefore, angle OPQ equal 180 minus 60 minus 90, which is equal, therefore angle equal 30 degrees. Triangle OPQ. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.